It's like fireworks underwater with fabric and glitter.
I'm Basil Twist, and I'm the creator and director of this show.
And my name is Kate Brem, and I'm a puppeteer, and I'm performing in the show.
Symphonie Fantastique is an abstract underwater puppet show sent to a romantic symphony played on the piano. I made this show 20 years ago, and it's thrilling to do it again in this. This is the same theater where we did it 20 years ago after it's toured around the world. There's 5 hidden puppeteers who animate all kinds of unusual fabrics and materials in the water to create some sort of hypnotic, otherworldly, magical experience. I think it's awesome that people have such a powerful reaction to a really simple thing, like a piece of cloth or a flashlight or something so elemental. I think there's something really, I hope, really pure about it that lets people escape, to step away from their computer screens, to step away from the news, to step away from some like heavy thing, and to just sort of like immerse themselves in something enchanting.